Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful little lantern for your next Halloween celebration. It's a very inexpensive and easy decor to do, and I'm providing you with a free PDF. You just have to click the link below this video. Let's do it. The first thing we're gonna do is print our pattern. We're gonna use that at home in our regular printer. There is no need of a special printer for this. You can download my pattern on a link below this video. And this is the paper that I use, Park Lane. It's a block of 40 sheets that I found in UN. You can use that if you want. Just cut it on the letter size and put it on your regular printer at home and you're gonna be fine. Next thing we're gonna do is cut it, because this is gonna be our guidance when we draw it on our colorful paper. So just use a regular scissor and cut it and save it for later. I'm gonna put my video in a faster speed so we can save some time here. Next, we're gonna cut our stars. They have different sizes, so that's why I would like to cut each of them, because as the bat, they're gonna be our guidance for our next paper that we're gonna stick on the bags. Okay, so this is the paper that I'm gonna use for my first bat. So I just have to draw it on the white side of the paper so you can see it better when you're drawing it. And for that, I'm gonna use these clippers, or these clips that are so useful. These ones I brought it from Japan, but I know that you can find them easily here in Amazon or Joann in the sewing department. They're gonna be very easy to find. They're very useful because they just make your patterns more stable, and you can fix them to the base you're using, to the paper base you're using. So in this case, I'm just drawing my bat, and after that, I'm gonna cut it. The same thing we did with the pattern, we're gonna do with this one. And you're gonna do that for each of the colors you have for each bag. So if you have a bag with a purple bat, you do that. With a green bat, you do that. So the same for each one, okay? So perfect. Now we are gonna do the eyes of the bat. And why we would like to do eyes on our bat? Because these are gonna be the little holes we're gonna make to put the lights. The lights are gonna go through those holes, and they're gonna show on the outside of your lantern, and they're gonna look so cute. So here you just mark your eyes, not that big, just do it little according to the size of the bat's head, and then punch it. I'm using this tool from Cricut. However, you can use anything that can do a hole. Very careful on this step, and then you have your holes, and later we're gonna pass the little lights through those holes, and I'm gonna show you how to do that a little later. Now we're gonna work with the stars, and we are going to decide where on the back you want the stars to appear. So for that, we use our bat as a guidance, and then we decided where our stars are going. You can do many as you want. However, take in consideration that you want certain amount of holes or stars because it's a lantern. So you want the light to go through maybe 4 or 5 stars. I won't do more than that. Well, depending of the bag size too, because if the bag is big, you want more stars, of course. But in this case, I'm gonna do like 4 or 5 stars. Then I'm working with my exact. Be careful on this step because, of course, this could be, a little dangerous if you don't do it carefully. And when you do this, you're trying to cut all the way through the bag because you want the stars to go through the other side as well. It's not just the front of the bag, it's on the back of the bag as well. So I'm showing you. See, you have 1 and then have 2 and then have a little size on the side of the bag. So this is what we want to do with all our stars. Of course, you can use any pattern you like. It doesn't have to be stars. It could be moons, it could be clouds, whatever. Everything is allowed here. You just have to make it very carefully, being very mindful of the tool that you're using, because it could be kind of risky if you don't pay attention when you're doing it. Okay, so this is my second star, and then I keep using my bat as a guidance, and then I do my third star. This is the little one. I'm trying to make a triangle here, so it looks harmonic. And now we put our bat again so we can keep using it as a guidance, and then we're gonna do a little star again on top of it. Now we just take the bag. We don't want to rip it, and very carefully we just make the star appear. Perfect. And then we are very close to finish our lantern. So the next thing we are going to do is check how it looks in front and back of the bag, because you want everything to look, very uniform, so the lights could go through these holes easily and look like a real star when you put them outside. With my silicone gun, with my glue gun, I'm going to place the bat wherever I want it. I'm gonna be very careful of doing very low amount of glue, because I don't want the glue to go out of the figure. I want it to look very clean, and you don't need that much amount of glue, honestly, because this is very simple and it's going to be attached to other paper. So let's put the bat where you want it, and then we're going to fold the bat a little bit so you can have the sensation that is flying. Okay, so very carefully you're gonna fold it a little bit this way so it looks like it's flying out of the bag. After that, we're gonna proceed to punch the eyes again so you can have the same holes in your bag, because as I told you before, we're gonna put the lights through those holes so they can look beautiful and bright during the night when you put your lanterns outside. So punch them from one side to the other side and then do it from the inside to the outside, so you can make sure you have very good holes there. Then we are going to expand the bag so we can see how it looks, and we are going to put our lights inside. I'm using this holiday lights because they're very safe, especially during Halloween. You know that you have a lot of kids coming to your house or to your home to get candies, or if you have a party, you don't want anybody to step on a bag that has like a candle or any fire. So I think this one is the best option you have, and two of these little lights are gonna go through the holes of the eyes. So let's put the lights inside. They are very lightweight as well, so maybe you can put like a stone or a little weight inside your lanterns if you know that they're going to be outside exposed to wind. So you can just put a stone or any weight you want, a little weight, so they can be stable. They could be stable. And now we're going to pass our lights through the holes, and voila, you see? They look so cute because it looks like they have lights in their eyes. Okay, let's do the other one. And we are gonna make sure these lights stay on place. And for that, you see how it looks? For that, we're gonna use regular tape. Okay? So with a regular tape, we are going to fix, they move a little bit. So we are going to make sure that these lights don't move. We put a little tape inside the bag so they can stay in place and they don't move. Okay? And they're going to look so beautiful. Definitely. This is something that you can make any time with your kids. Obviously, you don't want your kids to use the tools that are, kind of dangerous. Please make sure that they don't use them. Just make them put like the lights, or maybe they can cut the stars, or the patterns of the stars for you, or the patterns of the bat for you. Please make sure that they're safe. Their safety is priority, but this is very fun for them to do. So this is our lantern. Is ready to use, and you can use it in two different ways. You can close them on the top Some people might like that, so they look more like a bag. Or you can use them open. Usually I use them open because I think that reflects better the light during the night when you are gonna use it. So we will just keep it open, and that's it. Your lantern is ready to use to decorate that fun Halloween celebration that you're gonna have soon. And remember, you can use any figure you like, a ghost, a witch, anything is gonna look cute on these lanterns. I hope you like it. See you in my next video.